Today's adventure takes us to the Woodman Opera House in Plainfield, Wisconsin. The address is 107 South Main Street, Plainfield, Wisconsin. In February of 1893, a stock company was formed for the purpose of building the Opera House. The Opera House was built in 1902, and over the years, it was an opera house, performance venue, dance hall, church, bar, and a movie theater. From what I could find, when it was originally built, it was the Woodman Opera House. In 1926, it was the News Theater. 1927, it was the Strand Theater. And then it was the Plainfield Theater. It was also the Gospel Lighthouse. Here's an ad for the Strand Theater. In 2011, Matt McCarrick bought the theater for $2,500. In 2017, he fixed the back wall and the roof so it would not be demolitioned. He had his high school graduation party in it in 1998. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell.